Hello guys! In this video, we're going to talk about how to use Facebook Group's community chat to improve group engagement. But before we begin, please hit that like button to show us your support and help our videos reach more people. Now let's get started. Are you using community chats in your Facebook group? Community chats are chats created for Facebook groups to have a real-time conversations with the other members of the group. Admins can use it to create a chat about a certain topic and get quick answers from the members instead of using posts and the member replies in the comment section. Now go to your Facebook group. Under Admin Tools, you can find the community chats. You can view the community chats that you have created in this section. You can view a list of suggested chats that you can create, such as General Chat, Give and Get Support, Mood Boost, or Requests for Admins. Now click Setup. A new window will appear where you can create a name for your chat or use this name for your community chat. Click this button, Create Chat. Community chats must also abide by Facebook's community standards. Admins can review, remove messages, and suspend or remove members from the community chat. From the community chat you have created, you can see that you can invite people, change the image, and add a description for your community chat. You can even create a category for each community chat as you add a description. Create community chats for a specific purpose. If you have upcoming events, you can create a community chat for that purpose. Change the image. Now write a description. Create a category, and we can classify it as events. Aside from events, you can also launch a chat for members to discuss a particular subject. Use Admin Assist to moderate messages. Go to Admin Assist. Scroll down and look for Manage Chats. You can choose from these options to stop the message from sending or remove the message. Now click the Add button. You can view the criteria for the author. If the user doesn't have 100 approved posts published in the last 28 days, they cannot send messages in your community chat. Also, if the person has no profile picture, it can be owned by a user who might not have an authentic profile. If a user has violated group rules within 28 days, they can send messages to your community chat as well. Remove message. Click the criteria for messages. If a message has been reported by several people, then the message will be removed automatically. Reported messages can be off-topic messages or anything that violates the group's rules. Now click Add to Admin Assist. On Messenger, it shows the Communities tab. You can view all the community chats here. This is the chat name, and below, it shows the Facebook group that it belongs to. So that's it for today's video. But before the video ends, here's something you shouldn't miss. If you need to turn cold leads into loyal customers, we have a marketing app that can help you get more customers with cold email marketing. Pursue app is the most powerful cold email platform than any other alternative. You can run perfectly designed killer cold email campaigns that turn leads into buyers fast. You can create personalized cold email campaigns, create custom email journeys for your customers, create powerful event and trigger system, and watch how your leads react to your email. Set and forget your profit cold email campaigns with Pursue app. Step 1. Create your campaign in Pursue app. Step 2. Switch on the campaign and let the mails go out. Step 3. Watch the cold leads warm up and embrace your business. So try Pursue app now. Go to getpursueapp.in. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.